You know, there's a common misconception in Toronto that there are only two internet service providers out there. Big Blue and Red Telco. A lot of people erroneously believe that all smaller ISPs just lease Big Blue and Red Telco's lines, then resell it. More on that in a second. Here's how it actually works. Big Blue and Red Telco basically inherited all their mainframe legacy line from the era when they had a monopoly on telephone and cable television, respectively. What Rally does is connect our own top-of-the-line fiber network from those pipes straight to our customers' condos. It's known in the industry as last mile or fiber to the home. Because unlike Big Telco, we're not in the habit of price gouging our customers. We can offer the same or better fiber internet service than they do for sometimes half or lower the price. Now, as far as resellers go, it's mandated by the federal government that the legacy telcos sell wholesale access to their lines to smaller ISPs so they can resell it. Many companies do this. However, as we have seen over the last couple of years, the Canadian Radio, Television, Telecommunications Commission has favored Big Telecom by allowing them to charge higher wholesale rates to these companies. Look, it's far from a perfect system, but Canadians have a choice whether they know it or not.